Recently I bought my first glide bait, and since money doesn't grow on trees, and I'm not a professional fisherman yet, I got a good beginner glide bait, the River to Sea S-Waver. I went out to LBJ the following week and got skunked. So, I did what any fisherman does, and I watched a video on swimbaits. Specifically, Milliken Fishing, one of the best swimbait fishermen to ever do it on YouTube. In the video, he makes a modification that he says will turn a $20 bait into a $200 bait.
What is up, MFers? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take this $25 6 cents flow glider, make a small modification to it, and have it acting as good as any $200, $300, $400 little glide bait on the market.
So, I decided to test whether or not it really works. And have we all really been wasting our money on expensive swim baits? Milliken's theory is that by cutting off the excess plastic, you allow the tail of the bait to get closer to perpendicular, which allows tighter S's in the water. So I started testing the baits in the water. My next test was a rate of fall test, and I was just looking to see if there was any change in how fast the baits fell compared to one another. I did find something interesting. So they both fall at the same speed after they get under the water, but the modified bait actually gets under the water in the beginning just a little bit faster. Final thoughts on the modification compared to just straight out of the box S-Waver is that if you're looking for a glide bait to throw on cover, you know, this is something you want to do. It gives you tighter patterns in the water, and it's just a little bit easier to maneuver around cover since you got those giant treble hooks compared to the straight out of the box one. So I think if that's something you're kind of looking for, to get up under a tree or somewhere where there's going to be cover or stuff that could get snagged, this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to modify it and get those little curves in there, and just instead of that slow, methodical, wide glide bait usual thing you're looking for.